Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix disconnected by battle.net services error in Overwatch 2 game. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, go to the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After that, check if the issue is fixed or not. If not, next method is to check the server status of Overwatch 2. So you are suggested to check if there is any server downtime going on, and you can easily understand if there is any server downtime. We have to wait, and the reason you are getting the error is because of the server problem. So you are suggested to wait for some time and again check if the problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to check internet connection. So you are suggested to check if there is any fluctuating of the internet. You should run a speed test or switch to a wired connection. Wi-Fi is prone to interference and fluctuations, so using an Ethernet cable provides a more stable and reliable connection. So make sure you go through this, and after that check if the issue is fixed or not. Next method is to disable VPN. So if you are using any kind of VPN services on your system, you are suggested to disable them, and after that launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Overwatch 2. So you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your system. After that, again reinstall Overwatch 2 and then check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.